Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to contact Saga customer support. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush. Over here you can see after opening, on your top right corner there is settings option. Tap on settings. Over here in the settings you can see the option of three dots like a chat box icon. Tap on it. Here you can see community.kings.com. Tap on accept cookies. Here you can see discuss contest and support. Tap on support. You can scroll down. Here you can see new news. Tap on support. Here you can see the option of help center. Tap on it. There you can search here how can they help you. So search. Here you have the option of Candy Crush Saga. Tap on it. There search what problem you are facing. Support level up. Here you can see whatever your query is, enter it, then they will help you with it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.